Welcome to this week's edition of Endocrinology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Medtronic's MiniMed 780G insulin pump has received expanded CE mark approval across Europe. Now cleared for use in people with type 2 diabetes, pregnant individuals, and children as young as 2, the system has shown improved HbA1c and glucose control in real-world settings. This comes as Medtronic spins off its diabetes division into a standalone company. Semaglutide, the active compound in Ozempic, may offer neurological benefits beyond glucose control. New multi-study analysis suggests up to 77% improved survival in stroke patients using GLP-1 receptor agonists. These findings, presented at SNES 2025, could shift therapeutic strategies for both stroke and brain injury recovery. Researchers in Tokyo have harnessed AI to accurately detect osteoporosis using standard lumbar spine X-rays. With a sensitivity range of 80 to 86%, the AI tool converts images into bone density scores, potentially scaling osteoporosis screening worldwide. GlucoWear, a needle-free wrist-worn glucose monitoring device, has received $2 million in funding under the Horizon Europe program. Utilizing radiofrequency technology, it offers real-time blood sugar tracking and has already earned multiple international design accolades. In Israel, scientists at Technion have developed a smart microneedle patch that simultaneously monitors blood glucose and metformin levels. The wearable device transmits data to a smartphone app for dynamic insulin dosing. Validated in diabetic mice, the patch represents a step toward real-time, personalized diabetes care. Adosha and Tonghua Dongbao have announced Phase 3 success for BioChaperone Lispro, an ultra-rapid insulin. The therapy matched Humalog in HbA1c reduction and outperformed it in post-meal glucose control among over 1,000 Chinese patients with type 2 diabetes. A meta-analysis reveals that elevated Asprosin levels may serve as a biomarker for diabetic kidney disease. The hormone showed strong correlations with estimated glomerular filtration rate, urinary albumin to creatinine ratio, and body mass index, marking it as a potential early warning signal. In Kuwait, researchers have used AlphaFold 3 to model KLF15 DNA interactions, uncovering new hotspots for diabetes drug development. This milestone further solidifies Kuwait's growing leadership in AI-driven medical research. The U.S. FDA has approved the first generic methimazole tablets for cats. Produced by Felix Pharmaceuticals, the drug treats hyperthyroidism in middle-aged and senior felines and is available in 2.5 and 5 milligram dosages. Crinetics Pharmaceuticals' once-daily oral acromegaly drug, Palsonify, has gained attention following data presented at Endo 2025. The treatment demonstrated sustained IGF-1 control and superior dosing convenience. Analysts have responded with buy ratings and bullish market forecasts. Lupin has received FDA approval for generic versions of liraglutide and glucagon injections. Manufactured in Nagpur, India, the medications target a combined $582 million market in the United States. Finally, Eli Lilly's tirzepatide has demonstrated superiority over dulaglutide in the SURPASS-CVOT Phase 3 trial. Among high-risk patients with type 2 diabetes, tirzepatide reduced major cardiovascular events, potentially strengthening its positioning in diabetes and heart disease management. Stay ahead in endocrinology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lq